Friends, in this lecture we learned about slicers, one of the most interesting tool that we are having in Excel. We are going to study this tool two times, one with this data tables and another time when we'll do pivot tables. Now we'll do data tables. We'll go to design tab and see here is a slicer. I click on the slicer and this window opens up. This form says I have to select on these columns on which I would like to have a slicer. So I'll select author and type and say OK. Now two slicers are formed up here, author and type. I'll align that like this. I'll make it a little small and I'll click on then type and go on the top and make columns 2. You see, by default when slicers are created, this slicer tool options comes up. If you click on the table, you will go to design tab, then design tab is available. If you click on a slicer, then slicer tools are available. Click on slicer tools and the tool options are available. So I click on here column 2 and this type slicer is now in 2 columns. I'll little widen a little so that each and every word will be visible in a complete manner. I'll move it little here, move it little bottom. With the help of control key, I'll select both the slicers and here align. In the align, I'll go to align left and you see both the slicers are aligned together. And I'll click on outside, then again on author, and I can increase the size of this slicer. Now I'll select the type slicer, and after selecting the type slicer, I'll go to the slicer tools, and here is slicer settings. I am having two options. I can go settings from slicer settings here, or I can click on slicer settings from here. I go right click on any of the slicers and right click and slicer settings. The settings for that particular slicer opens up. I would like to change the heading by not only type, I would like to have type of books, and I would like all these names, biography, fiction, mystery, all these in descending order. I'll select in descending order and say OK. Now see, all characters are in descending order and the heading changed from type to types of books. Now what slicer actually do? Suppose I want to see the details of author 2 and the books written by author 2. I'll click on author 2. These are author 2 details and rest there are only 8 books are by authors and these are the total revenues by authors. And out of these, are there any mystery books that are written by author 2? Yes, there is one mystery book, 2 humor book, 1 fiction, 2 comics, 1 biography and thriller. No thriller is there, right? No thriller has been written by biography. And if I want to clear the slicer, I can go up here and I can clear filter and clear it. The slicer for the type of book will get cleared off. And if I go on top of here and click clear it, I can have the clear button for the authors too. If I want to see author 1, I can click on author 1 and with the control key I can click on author 2 and I can see author 1 and 2 together. I'll do it again. I'll clear the filter. I'll click on author 1. After that I press the control key and I click on author 2. As soon as I leave the key, the author 2 and author 1 together will appear. Now I can see mystery. Any mystery? Yes, 1 book written by mystery by author 2, fiction by 1 by author 1 and author 2, and in this way I can check out details. Want to clear the filters? I can clear it from here. Then after that I want to change the format of these slicers. I can, with the control key, I can select both of the slicers and I can go up here and I can select another format. Let us say light orange. I can click on. Now the format changes because I like it to be visible in this manner, and now I can use the slicer in any of the manner required.